how you can enable SSL in Hostinger. So this is gonna be pretty quick and simple. All you're gonna have to do is to just open your account in hpanel.hostinger.com. Now we want to enter your website, so you can do it from website section on the left or from your home section. I got here this website. I'm gonna enter dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, on the left you can go to security, and here's gonna be SSL, or you can search for it in the search bar. So type here SSL and just enter SSL section. If your SSL is not active, you can install it here. As you can see, I got it already installed, so it's active and I don't have to install it manually. In the future, if you want to uninstall SSL certificate, you can click the three dots and uninstall it here. If you have multiple SSLs, one active, one inactive, and you want to activate the other one. So this was how to install and enable SSL certificate. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.